this slice, which is slice 34, you are going to continue to practice using your subordinating conjunction, and this time it's going to be the word if. And you also will be continuing to work with putting a comma after the part that tells when, where, if, although, unless, because, as, or so. So again, if you begin your sentence with if, and let me just type this little reminder for you. If you begin your sentence with the part that tells if, put a comma after the part, not after the word. Okay, so I'll show you how this works here. Okay, so number one, you think education is expensive. You should try ignorance. Well, here it's going to go ahead and start with if. So if you think education is expensive, comma, you should try ignorance. So let me go ahead and type this out for us. So since we're starting with the if, we'll put the comma in place of the period or after the part that tells if. Number two, my mom comes home in a good mood. She may extend my curfew. This is going to be another one where we start with the if because it is a conditional statement starting with the if this happens, then that. So if my mom comes home in a good mood, comma, she may extend my curfew. Period. Let's take a look at number three here. I can go to the basketball game. I finish my chores before supper. Well, if I can go to the basketball game, no, that doesn't make sense. So I can go to the basketball game if I finish my chores before supper. And because the if is in the middle of the sentence, we will not have a comma. We will not have a period. Okay, it'll be just all one sentence. So I can go to the basketball game if I finish my chores before supper. All right. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and finish up 1 through 10. And again, if you start with the if, make sure you have a comma after the part, not after if, but after the part that tells if. And if your if goes in the middle of the sentence, no comma. If you have questions, please see us at office hours.